Hey guys, I'm back. So today is my last day of school, which I'm not really showing up for. I haven't really ever done that. I know some people who usually like go for the last day of school, but it's just not really my thing. I'm ready to get out of there. So, I decided to have a bonfire party instead. So today I am setting that up, and yeah, it's just gonna be a little bonfire party vlog. Okay, so right now this is kind of the setup we're working with. I literally just like cleaned up like the fire pit, and then I need to move like one of these like hammocks down there, and then there's just a lot to do. But yeah, and then I'm having a sleepover, so I gotta clean my room. But yeah, let's get that done. Okay, so I cleaned my room for the most part. I didn't feel like doing that, but yeah, we are about 2 hours out. I'm gonna change and get into something cute, and then yeah, I'll see you then. Okay, so this is the final fit. I just thrifted this shirt. I have never been to Treasure Island, but you know, maybe I'll visit. And then I love these shorts. I got them from PacSun, and yeah, and then I'm just wearing my normal earrings and necklaces. This one's Kendra Scott, this one's like Target. And then my short clip watch, because I feel like whenever I'm at these like parties and stuff, I just lose track of time, or I'll like leave my phone somewhere, so just keep track of time. And then some bracelets. So I think all that's left to do is I need to put out the food, and I need to set up the volleyball net, which yeah, will be fun because I literally just bought, it's gonna be dark out, I just bought a volleyball that's like, it lights up every time you bump it, so I think this will be fun. Okay, so I got this cute caddy from Target, and it has like all of like, it has a cute little smiley face, and it has everything I need for there are the marshmallows, everything I need for the s'mores. It's cute. And then I also bought some Oreos and Sour Patch Kids, and then this is some like lemonade and stuff, and yeah. So my friend Giselle came early, and we kind of just filmed some TikToks before. This is her like messing with my dog. And then we played some volleyball as other people started to show up. After that though, we played Granny. Vlog. Guys, we're escaping Granny. We're trying to find things. They definitely hid something by the shed. There they are. They're somewhere. I don't know. What? Oh my god, why is she so fast? Yeah. That's Cameron and Dante. They were kind of tag teaming playing Granny, and it was the funniest thing ever, actually. Oh my gosh, she's gonna hit the dog. I love this time of year because I always do a bonfire at the end of the year to kind of just let loose and like burn all of our old school papers. And it was especially fun this year just because I made so many new friends, and it was kind of fun to just see everyone together.
I was like, hi or something, and she texted me. She was like, oh my gosh, you're my best friend. I love you.
Bruh.
And I'm like,
oh.
I hate Mr. Lampoon. I hate Algebra 1 Part B. I hate
Please throw your calculator in there. Bye. I know, it's okay. Ghost.
Who is this to?
No, this is a vlog.
Oh, hey guys. Hi vlog. I'm going inside. Bye vlog. Bye vlog.
We are currently texting with Rando. We invite Abe. We invited him, and
You think he's gonna come?
No, he said that I should have invited him earlier if I really wanted him to come. So, you know, he's playing hard to get. Hello, vlog.
Hello, vlog.
I don't know what to say.
That was my yawn.
She has work in the morning. Imagine having a job.
Don't say that word. Don't say that word. Please, I can't. I hate it. I hate it.